So today we're working on a 2011 GMC Sierra 1500 four-wheel drive, and the complaint is the oil pressure gauge would go to a low oil pressure. It's getting fairly low now. It's in between 100 and, well, I don't know what that is in PSI. The scan tool says right now it's about 26 PSI. And a message will come up on the dash to shut the engine off. It was back here in December. Let's have a look at the record on this. So it was here in December, it looks like December the 1st, and I changed the oil pressure sender and cleaned the screen, or replaced the screen under the oil pressure sender, which is common to plug up. It didn't look that bad. The oil level is okay right now. It could use an oil change. I don't think it's badly contaminated. It doesn't feel too bad, but it's down to 14% oil life. Just looking at data right now, we're at about 24 PSI, and it's been running for 22 minutes. Coolant's up to temperature. Engine oil is only 74. So we're going to let this run a little longer to see if it gets any worse than this. So now 26 minutes and it's down to 21 PSI. Oil temperature at 79 Celsius, coolant temperature at 93. So here we have running for 37 minutes now, 13 pounds of oil pressure here. Let's see what it goes to when I put it in drive. The gauge on the dash is halfway between 0 and the first graduation, so it dropped as low as 11. That's not very good. So I dropped the oil and changed the filter, put 530 Castrol in it, synthetic. It's been running for about 4 minutes. We're at 31 PSI oil pressure and 82 degrees engine oil temperature, 94 degrees Celsius coolant temperature. So we're going to let it run for half an hour, 40 minutes, and see how it fares after that. So after 41 minutes of running, the oil pressure has dropped to 32 PSI roughly. Much better than we did get before. We were down to about 11 before. So that engine oil was definitely contaminated, definitely thinned out. I know this customer does a lot of idling with this vehicle, so that's probably aggravated it. But right now, again, running for almost 42 minutes, and we're down to 31 pounds of oil pressure as opposed to 11 and 12 that we got before. So we'll call this one fixed for now.